Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to knit the one row stitch. It's called the one row stitch because of course the pattern repeat is only one row. This makes it very simple to remember, and the main advantage in my opinion is that it's reversible. Here you can see what this stitch looks like, and it forms kind of a concertina like ribbing does. The first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 4 plus 2. I cast on 26 stitches and I used the long tail cast on, although you could use a different method. You need to begin by knitting 2. Remember that the working yarn needs to be at the back behind the needles for knit stitches and at the front towards you for purl stitches. Next, you need to knit 1 through the back loop, or K1 TBL for short. To do this, take your right hand needle down through the back of the next stitch, like so. Then complete this stitch as you would a normal knit stitch, and you'll see that the needle comes out on top of that stitch. Then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front and do 1 purl stitch. And you simply repeat this sequence of stitches over and over. So that's knit 2, knit 1 through the back loop, and purl 1. And again, so knit 2, knit 1 through the back loop, and purl 1. And just repeat this until you've only got 2 stitches left. And then you just knit those last 2 stitches. And that's it, that's the entire one row stitch complete. Now you just need to repeat that row over and over again. Once you've repeated that row a few times, you'll get something that looks like this. You'll see vertical knit stitch ridges, and in between those you'll see a kind of stripy texture. The knit stitch ridges aren't like normal knit stitch ridges, which will have V-shaped stitches all lined up, but instead these are kind of twisted, and the reason for that is because you've knit through the back loop. And that's it, that's how you knit the one row stitch. I really hope you found this useful, and thank you very much for watching.